This time on ECRN Garage, we're going to get this clutch cable installed and working. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today I got the new clutch cable for the DT175. Alright, let's get this new clutch cable on, see how it goes. I'm going to adjust it up. It's quite a bit of slack in there. It's not even trying to pull the clutch in yet. Let's move the adjuster out. Still nothing. Alright, so once again, our next part for the DT doesn't fit. It's barely pulling the clutch in. I have the cable adjusted out all the way. As you can see, it's barely just taking the slack up. It's not disengaging the clutch at all. So I'm going to modify this cable, I guess. Not surprised, this thing is kind of going that way, so that's 2 for 2 now. So I'll shorten up that cable, I'll show you guys how I do it. Alright, we're going to trim this down and resolder it shorter. Splay these all out. We'll dress up on the grinder. Got that end soldered in. Now we'll try to fit it up to see if we can get that clutch to work. Got some of the slack out of that now. Looks like we got a lot more adjustment now. That'll do it for now until we get the engine running. We can do finer adjustment on this clutch. Alright. There, it's pulling it in now. We still got lots of adjustment left. Excellent.